Hello everyone, welcome back. So let's analyze the markets. I'm pretty sure that markets are favoring very strongly to the bulls, and they must be laughing at the all the call writers or the bears, because prices have been moving continuously to the upside. They've been moving in a row continuously. So you know there are chances, there are instances where we thought that prices now should take a turn to the downside. However, just taking a small dip, prices have been back to their upward trend. So Nifty is still showing very bullish signs. We have all the three averages which are moving to the upward direction. We have a weekly chart which has broken out from a small range. So all in all, Nifty is looking very strong right now. Today prices have gapped up. They have even cleared the resistance, and they moved in a range for some time. There was a time when it dipped down, and it was looking that it may come back down to the resistance area to retest it. However, buyers stepped up and prices moved back up again. So it looks like the buying the dip kind of a market. So if if you were thinking of going short, or if you have shorted the market, because it has given some opportunities during the day where a trader, especially a novice trader, could have short the market. They must have got all trapped. So this is not the market as of now where you can even think of getting short, because all in all, the environment is so bullish that every dip is getting being bought by the bulls. So let's analyze the option chain data to see what could be the possible upside and downside range for tomorrow and for the next week. uh, so we have the option chain here. So let me just use the vanishing pen. Yeah. So we have 1.9 million OI, right? Which is the 18,100 strike to the put side. So that is, one range that we can see for the support. So let's go back to the chart and see where it is. So we have 18,100, level here, which could act as a support for tomorrow or in the next week. Let's just go back and just use the pen again. So we have 1.8 million open interest at the 18,500 strike at the call side, right? We also have one point around, uh, let me just scroll it down. Yeah. So we have 1.9 million open interest at 19,000 level. So to the upside we have 18,500 and then 19,000 level, and to the downside we have 18,100 level. So this could be the possible ranges which could act as support and resistance for tomorrow and for the in next week. But as I mentioned earlier, this data can change anytime. So right now it is just showing us some sort of picture that in what range Nifty can, trade. So in 5 minute chart, prices have closed to the upside. So now it is, it is little bit, difficult to assume that, where will Nifty could open tomorrow. However, I think after, prices have been moving in a row for 3 days, prices should take a rest for a day. So if it, let's say if it gap down and reaches to this support area, so we should wait for some time. And if it, let's say it breaks the supports that it has created today, we can then think of going short. Otherwise, it's a very bullish market. So long term, no short selling from my side. Let's jump on to the Bank Nifty. The Bank Nifty has closed even stronger. So you can see that, prices have opened near the high of yesterday's candle, and then they just, traded in a range and then just, shoot to the upside. If you look at the 15-minute chart, you can see very clearly that, around 130 prices break out and they just rallied to the upside, right? So it was about 430 point movement that which it has given later in the day. So Bank Nifty is also looking very strong. Now, one possible reason which are pushing the markets to the upside could be the the economy numbers which are, coming and have come recently, where, RBI and IMF has, given some growth numbers to our country. So they have maintained, the growth at 9.5% for this year. And, the inflation has also come down. It hasn't changed the interest rates. So, and I think if I'm not wrong, there are some economic numbers which are even coming tomorrow. Mostly on Fridays, RBI releases some economic numbers. So tomorrow, I think it's a trade deficit number, which are related to import and export. So I think these economic, strong economy numbers are pushing the markets higher. We also have, a festive season around the corner, which always good for the banks, because people do tend to spend much during the festive season. So these are, comments are related to the economy numbers. However, we are, price action traders, pattern traders. So our focus should be on the prices on the chart. So as I mentioned, that markets are looking very strong. Let's quickly have a look at the VIX. So as we know that VIX has an inverse relation with the market, with Nifty. So when Nifty goes up, the VIX comes down, right? So it is also called as a fear indicator. So we can see that, after, slowly and gradually moving up, now there is a dip in VIX. Now this dip could be, for some time, and it could start again, right? But as of now, things are looking, in favor to the bulls. So we can't even think about going short right now. So VIX is around 15.777 level, which is a very comfortable level for bulls. So in my opinion, it looks like buying the dip kind of a market. And until and unless, something, very disastrous happens, or, something that pushes the market, very rapidly to the downside, we should not change our bias, because now we have multiple strong support levels to the downside. So that's it in today's analysis. If you have any questions, please ask them in the comment box. And if you like the video, if you like the analysis, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe the channel. So that's it for now. Bye, and let's catch you in the next video.